The federal government yesterday commended the Nigerian Port Authority (NPA) for seeking technical guidance from the International Maritime Organization (IMO) in the development of the Port Communities System report, saying that its implementation will enhance the ease of doing business at the nation's seaports. The Minister of Marine and Blue Economy, Adegboyega Oyetola, gave the commendation while formally receiving the report for the implementation of the PCS in Nigeria. Oyetola disclosed that the implementation of the PCS was a key performance indicator given to his ministry by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and that its adoption would position Nigeria to benefit from global trade opportunities. Oyetola further urged the NPA to expedite the procurement process for appointing a company to deploy the PCS and to seek ministerial intervention when necessary, particularly in areas outside their jurisdiction, such as linkages with the Nigerian Customs Service and other relevant agencies. The Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation (NDIC) has said it is partnering with the Central Bank of Nigeria to proactively address potential risks within the banking system. The Managing Director, NDIC, Bello Hassan, made the disclosure at a retreat for lawmakers with a theme, Deepening Deposit Insurance Knowledge for Effective Legislative Functions, while noting that the Nigerian banking sector had exhibited resilience despite facing economic difficulties. Hassan said that addressing such risks would be through collaboration and enhanced supervision, aiming to maintain a safe and sound banking system in Nigeria. The retreat was aimed at exposing lawmakers to the NDIC laws with a view to identifying impediments to the implementation of its mandate, as well as brainstorming with the management of the corporation on the way forward. The NDIC MD maintained that various measures are being put in place by the corporation and the CBN to ensure the banking sector remains sound. And despite investment in the broader African startup ecosystem dipping by 39% at the end of 2023, the health tech genre of the ecosystem, however, showed impressive growth, with deals rising by 17% to hit $167 million. The number of deals in African health tech rose by 17% year-on-year to 145, with total funding of $167 million and an average ticket size of $1.1 million. In total, 114 innovators received funding in 2023, with 23 receiving multiple investments in the year. In the same trajectory, the number of deals for women-led companies remained relatively steady, moving from 26 in 2022 to 33 in 2023. However, the amount of funding saw a dramatic shift as the gender gap significantly narrowed. Women-led companies secured $52 million in funding, representing 31% of all investment in 2023. This represents a 2,000% year-on-year increase compared to the $2 million, 1.4% they received in 2022. Still on growth, electronic medical record solutions were the second best funded category, driven by Helium Health's $30 million Series B funding round. Now, the adoption of blockchain technology will address the problem of counterfeit medicines threatening the country's pharmaceutical sector, experts have said. The CEO of Hyperspace Technologies, Oluseyi Akindeinde, stated that blockchain would help to serialize pharmaceutical products and assign security features that will be verifiable by scanning the product. Akindeinde said pharmaceutical products could be protected by using encrypted non-fungible token tags integrated into the products to create unique identities. Fake drugs remain one of the biggest problems in the pharmaceutical sector, estimated to hit $5.3 billion this year. Recently, the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, announced that it destroyed fake and expired goods worth over 500 million naira in Abuja.